The pool as well was dirty. It literally had green slimes.
Hey guys, I'm Alicia
And I'm Eva.
and we're back with another video.
Yeah, so today we're going to be doing apartment hunting or house hunting. We are looking for 3-bedroom houses.
What we're mainly looking for is ideally like a villa.
Yes.
We need a lot of space.
Yeah.
We need a good view. It needs to be modern because a lot of the places here aren't very modern.
Yes, modern. Closer to the beach. I feel like that's one of the main things that we want. Yeah, closer to the beach.
Good facilities, so like need a pool obviously, and then a really nice gym. Because
She's a gym babe. We're just going to be taking you guys along. Tell us what you think. Which one do you prefer?
Sorry. The phone keeps turning off.
It's very hot, guys.
It's very, very
It's
hot.
very hot. You people in the, it's summer. Never mind. I was gonna say you guys can relate, but unfortunately you can, innit?
Stop it. Get some help.
Anyway, so come with us on our apartment tours. We will be doing about 4 or 5 villas, so this will be a 2-part video, so also watch the next one as well.
Yes.
And then let us know what you think, what's your favourite, which one's your least favourite. And then yeah, come on this journey with us.
And then also, if you have areas that you would recommend, please let us know down on the comment. We would love to hear it, just because we're still new here and we're just trying to figure out moving to Thailand and everything.
Yeah.
And we still also want to get a car, so we're going to be doing a
Car hunting video very soon
Yes.
as well. That's on Friday.
so watch out for that.
And enjoy the video. Oh, bye.
Bye, guys.
And if you hear this sound, then go on bend your back, go on bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Hi, guys.
So we just come back from our first viewing.
Mm-hmm.
What did we think of it? Okay, what do you think?
I think the apartment, the house was big.
Yeah.
It was nice. I like the common area, you know, like the living room, the sitting room. That's my favorite part. The rooms I'm not very crazy about. So guys, the bedrooms I'm not very crazy about those. And also we are hoping to move there next week, but there's still people living there. They said that they're flexible, and whenever we're ready to move in, it's gone black again.
Yeah.
Whenever we're ready to move in, they will sort themselves out in it.
Yeah.
But I'm not very confident. But yeah, what do you think?
For me, it was the view of like the lake. The lake was just dirty.
Yeah,
And it's like, if I want to look outside and eat my breakfast or drink a drink or something, and I'm looking at the views, like I want a nice, pretty, clean view.
True, especially because she actually loves being outside in the balcony.
I'm always on the balcony.
So that would not make sense for her at all. The pool as well was dirty. It literally had green slimes in it. We'll put a picture. That was not pretty, and we have to walk to get to the pool, which is okay, but like it's not okay because
we prefer our own
inconvenient pool. Yeah,
and there wasn't really much of a garden, and it's like when you're in a hot country you want to be outside. Oh, there's a lizard. There's quite a few birds.
God.
Yeah, when you're in a hot country you want to be outside, like you want to be in the garden, you want to be on the balcony, so like those things are quite important. And for me the gym was just very old, like the machines looked a good like 10-15 years old.
Yeah, they were rusty.
They
had
rusty.
like brown rust, meaning that probably people don't really use it.
But yeah, like it wasn't bad. Like I was saying a lot of negatives, but actually was like it was a pretty house. It's in a really nice, good community.
Yeah, it looks very safe.
It's very safe, very modern.
Yes, I mean a lot of people have been saying that Thailand is safe, and well, Phuket is really safe. So that one is even safer because it's in a gated community, which we like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was our first one, so we still have quite a few to look at. Like out of 10, what would you give it?
I'd give it like a 6, I'd say.
6.
Yeah.
Okay. I would say 6.5, just because I like the fact that it had massive windows and the dining area is nice.
It was, yeah.
Yeah, and the house is big, but
The house is big, yeah, and it's very, just how they presented it, like it was very clean. Like we've gone to viewings before where they've not really like bothered to clean it or anything.
yeah, it was very much undone.
Yeah, it was very, very nice.
So-
Which was, and there's a lot of natural lighting as well.
Yes, that's what I love.
Which is good. We like natural light.
Especially because we're going to be doing content, guys. Follow, like, subscribe, all of
this
that.
way. We're about to walk on the road instead of the path. Oh, my arm is aching. Can we swap?
Okay. Let us know what you think. We would like to hear it. Input. Sweating. Yeah, we're sweating. We are trying to walk.
We have no Wi-Fi because we don't have Sims yet.
Yes, we have been very hesitant to get Sims, and it's biting us in the derriere. So now we have
find
to
a cafe or a restaurant that has Wi-Fi so you can book a taxi. Oh, God.
It's very much undemure.
Very much. I'm very unorganised.
Yes, but soon we have been meaning to go get the Sims for the past 5 days now, but we will eventually do it. Don't worry.
We've been waiting till we get into a problem where we really desperately need it, and then
And then be like, okay, we definitely do need it. This is almost one of those problems. Almost. Not there yet. Not there yet. Because it's a problem that we can solve. Do you get me? This is the kind of problems you need in life. Like, where can we go get Wi-Fi? Do you get me? Alright, see you guys on the next tour.
Bye! So this was our second viewing in Thailand district. This was a 3-bedroom villa. It's very private, as you can see from how big the front gate is. It had a really spacious front garage, which was preferable, and it enters straight into the back garden, which we had a really good sized pool, a lot of greenery and colour, which was quite refreshing to see. And I love the marble pattern flooring. It was just very unique and nice, and I liked that the sun shined straight into the garden and wasn't blocked by the house.
So going inside, there is an open plan living area. There is loads of light which just floods the space, which makes it quite nice. However, the dining area table bit I was not very crazy about. The kitchen though was a good size for this property. I think there is like loads of storage. The marble on the countertop is such a nice little pretty color. However, with this kitchen there was a washroom by the kitchen, which I don't like that because, guys, can you just imagine the smell? So no. But yeah, going back into the living area, there is this couch which has like little markings and coloring on it because there was a family living here before.
This is the first bedroom. My first impression from the room was that it was very dark. There's not a lot of natural light getting through, meaning it would rely heavily on artificial lighting, which was not preferable. Other than that, it was very spacious, very presentable, and had a really nice view of the pool. There was a lot of wardrobe space, which I liked, and I loved how the glass window by the bathtub was a nice touch, and how deep and long the bath is, and that there's an option between a bathtub and a shower, so it was nice just to have that choice. Overall, this was a really nice bedroom. It was just a shame about the lighting. But as we leave the bedroom, at the back of the living room, we have stairs to the first floor. There was a really nice mosaic pattern on the staircase, which has added a pop of colour and made it very refreshing to see.
So when you go up the stairs, I think this feature is probably one of my favorite bit. With this like little corridor balcony bit, you can see the living area and the pool, but it also leads you straight into the second bed. This was also a very spacious room. It had the big balcony overlooking the pool, and if you went outside the balcony, you can see a little bit of the estate. The closet area was also very massive, and we both loved the vanity bit. We just thought that it was quite cute, very girly. You can get like your makeup done there, which is such a nice little feature. The bathroom was a bit small compared to the other one, but the other one was a master. But overall, this was quite nice and very spacious.
As we come out the bedroom, there is a small hallway that overlooks the living area, which is nice. It gives power vibes, but I love the light. It's so unique and different. And then we have the third bedroom, which is slightly smaller, and it's quite bright, and the decoration and the layout is very nice. I didn't like that the wardrobe was in the bathroom. That was just a bit weird and different, but because it was smaller, it only had a shower, so no bath. But overall, it was a nice bedroom to have as like a spare This room didn't have a balcony or anything, so it definitely wasn't my favourite room, but it had a nice view just of the community. But as we come back out into the hallway, there is a small area just before we enter into the garden, which would be really nice as like office space or just for extra storage. So that's just a nice little extra bit. Then just through these double doors we had the garden space, which was very nice. I did like how they presented it, however the cushions on the chairs were very dirty, which put us off it quite a lot. As again, just making sure the place is clean before someone comes to view it is huge. There wasn't much privacy, but considering it's only a small community, I didn't mind that too much. And considering we had a good outside pool area, I didn't mind that the garden space was small. Then we have the gym, which was also very small, but it had all your basic equipment. It had quite a few weights, but it just wasn't, again, I'm a gym girly, it wasn't what I was looking for in terms of a gym.